Conquering units and conversions in ACT Math. Hello, English learners and math enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an essential skill for the ACT Math section, working with units and conversions. This skill not only helps in test scenarios but also has real-world applications. So, let's get started. Units are the bedrock of any measurement. Whether you're talking about inches, kilometers, grams, or gallons, these are all units that give meaning to a number. Imagine if someone told you they lived 10 away. You'd ask, 10 what? Miles? Minutes? That's why units are essential. They give context. Tip: always write down units in your calculations. It helps avoid mistakes and keeps you organized. To successfully solve math problems, you need to be familiar with common conversion factors. Some of the frequently used conversions include 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, 1 pound equals 16 ounces, 1 gallon equals 3.785 liters, for US gallon. Tip: make flashcards of these conversions or practice them regularly to remember them effortlessly. Now, let's discuss the actual process. 1. Identify the units you start with and the units you want to end with. 2. Write down the conversion factor. It's often given in the question or, as mentioned, is a common one you should know. 3. Multiply or divide your original number by the conversion factor. Example: convert 5 kilometers to meters. You multiply 5 kilometers by 1,000, the number of meters in a kilometer, to get 5,000 meters. Tip: units can cancel out just like numbers. This helps ensure you're on the right track. 1. Misreading units. Always double-check the units in the question and what's required in the answer. 2. Forgetting to convert. Sometimes, a problem may have multiple parts, and you might need to convert units more than once. 3. Overcomplicating. If you're stuck between two conversion paths, always choose the simpler one. Units and conversions might seem intimidating at first, but with practice and patience, you'll master them in no time. Remember to always keep track of your units. Familiarize yourself with common conversions, and practice frequently. We hope this video makes your ACT math journey smoother. Happy learning!